Being one with nature. Activity, clay modeling. Standards, 2nd to 4th. Hello. Today, we are going to talk about being one with nature means oneness with nature. In Happiness Lab. Nowadays, children spend most of their time with mobile and television. They are moving away from outdoor games, their surroundings, and even nature itself. Students will develop care, sensitivity, and creativity towards nature due to this activity. They will also understand its importance. Today's activity is clay modeling. As you might have guessed from the name of this activity, we need soft clay, a cardboard sheet for the base, and a small ball of water to soften the clay for this activity. Make a group of 4 to 5 children each. Give clay to each group. Ask them to create any object from nature using their imagination. There is a suggestion: students should not be restricted in what they can make. Encourage their creativity and let them think for themselves. After completing the activity, let the students present their models. Ask them the questions like: what object did you create? What did you learn from the nature? How did you feel while doing this activity? This discussion will help children to develop observation skills, and ability to express means the ability to share their thoughts, opinions, and experiences.